We'll guide you through how to connect and set up a webcam on a PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. A webcam is really convenient to have because you can then go and capture your face for videos or meetings, or perhaps you've got another use for it. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through how this is done. Make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead as we're guiding you through how this is done, and we're keeping this guide broad so you can go and follow along with your webcam. However, I am using an Instalink 360. It's a great webcam. I'll put a link down below if you're looking to go and get one to Amazon. That is an affiliate link which supports the channel and no extra cost to you. To get started, get your webcam, and they usually come with an easy mount, which sort of pinches over the top of your screen, whether it's a monitor or a laptop, and then it will have a cable, and you want to go and plug the USB into a USB port. Now, what we can do is we can go and get started. So you just want to press search at the bottom of your computer and go and type in device manager. This should go and open up, and you want to come down and find cameras and press the arrow to the left, and it then should be appearing. What you can do is right click on it, make sure that it says disable device, meaning it's enabled, and it's worth just pressing update driver, and we can do an automatic search to go and just make sure it's installed. Now, I'll cover this more at the end, but you can go and get the drivers from the manufacturer's site. These can often give you more customizability with the settings, but usually we can go and get started without them, but you can consider getting them further down. Next, what you need to do is go and press start at the bottom of your computer and press settings. In here, come to the left and scroll down and find privacy and security. Scroll down here and find camera. Make sure camera access is switched on. That's really key. And you can switch on, let apps access your camera and switch them on here. So now you should be ready to go and use it. You can go and test it by pressing search at the bottom, and you can go and type in camera like so. The camera app will then go and open up. If it's using the wrong camera, press the switch button in the top right, and then here we are, it's capturing me. So that's it. You can go and take a video or take a photo, and of course you can go and use it in other apps as well. And you can go and get the drivers from the manufacturer's site to go and get access to more settings. Just head to the site and go to the drivers page. If you find this useful, then leave a like.